Hey everybody, so I just finished grading the pre-quizzes for the graphing lab. I didn't really change anyone's grade on this one, I don't believe, because there's a few things to discuss. One is, remember, correlation does not mean causation. This is a basic math class principle that you all should have already been through. If you're not sure what I mean, look it up. But just because we can graph 2 points of data does not mean that they are related. You can put lots of things on a graph. It doesn't mean that it means anything. And I fear that when I get into grading the lab, that's what I'm going to see as well. So just want to point that out. So before you do the post quiz, make sure you're reviewing the stuff. Make sure you're reviewing the videos on the feedback that I give from the pre-quiz and from the lab. Usually I'll do a video after I've graded the lab, so that way when you do the post-quiz, you don't make the same mistakes you did in the past. Also, make sure you're completing these. If you do not complete the pre-quizzes, you cannot submit the lab, and you cannot complete the post. That counts as a 0 for the lab. If you miss 3 labs, you failed the course. If it's during the HQV period, you will receive a Q for the course, and you will be dropped from the class, and you will not be readmitted. The other thing, increments. The word increment is denoting the measurement. So if it gives you something, and if it's like every 5 years, say, so it's like 2000, 2005, 2010, 2015, 2020, and it gives you points for that. And then it asks, what is the increment? The increment would not be the year, it would be 5, because you were going by multiples of 5. So increment is a measurement, okay? That's kind of the only things that I really saw with the graphing pre-quizzes so far, but like I said, I've only made it through those. I can't stress enough, if you do not complete these things, you will not pass the course. Yes, the overall grade is only 30% of your, lab only makes up 30% of the course, but without completing the labs, and they are due on time, there are no exceptions to this. If you don't complete them, then you will not pass the class. So, if you have any questions, definitely email me. Thank you.